Get ready to be amazed because the Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it is super lightweight and durable. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly super practical for everyday use for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed because the Let Completely Honest Finding